I've been asked for tips on how to fold a t-shirt. Now, this sounds like a very simple thing, and you've probably done it unconsciously all your life just by folding the shoulders in and grabbing the sleeve, give it a shake, fold and fold. That, I would say, is my first one. That's the quickest and easiest fold. That's what I call the laundry fold. That's if you want to make a quick, rough stack out of your clothes, you go with that one. That's number one. That's the laundry fold. The second one is, I've shown this one before, and it looks like it's a bit of black magic, but it's because it's very quick. Lay the t-shirt on its side, and you're going to pinch at just next to the collar, and then again in the middle, so halfway down between the shoulder and the bottom edge. Pinch there, then the hand that's pinching the collar, keep pinching the collar, next to the collar, down to the bottom, pinch the bottom edge, lift the whole thing up and give it a shake. Lay it on the table and flip it over, and you get that. That's what I call the retail fold. That's if you're working in a retail shop where people are coming in, trying on t-shirts, on a shelf, and you want to fold them back up. That's the retail fold. That's the quick and easy way of getting a t-shirt back on display again. That's number two, and that's the retail fold. Number three, if you are a fan of the Big Bang Theory, you'll be familiar with Sheldon's folding board. And if you want to try one of these, you can find them online for about £5, $5, whatever. They're not expensive, but you can also make one out of a cardboard box. Really simple. If you get a piece of paper, it's 6 times the size of a piece of paper, and then draw it out and just cut these 2 slots here, and you've basically done it. Anyway, you get your t-shirt and hold it away from you. So you're facing it face down on the folding board with the collar up at the top edge and the sleeves obviously out to the side. Now, the bottom edge is hanging off the bottom of the folding board. Fold this up so that it's sitting neatly on the board. Now, quite simply, flip the right side in, flip the left side in, flip the bottom to the top, and you've got a perfect fold every time. Now, this is great. That works. That's actually my favorite one, but it obviously requires this piece of equipment that you've got to try and remember, and that may be a deal breaker. So, the best one without need for any equipment, I think, is this one. Same thing again, get the t-shirt in front of you, lay it on the table face down, fold in the sleeves, so we get a nice straight edge that side, and a nice straight edge on that side. Then we need about a third, 2/3 down, 1/3, 2/3 down. Pinch the sides and bring it all the way up to the top. And then simply fold in one side and fold in the other. Now that is what I call the packing fold, because it's the neatest and smallest fold of the lot. You can do it slightly bigger for a wardrobe or a drawer, but that's great. That's a great fold for if you're traveling and you want your shirts to be nice and neat when you arrive at your destination. That's the one with the board, and that's the one without the board. So, as I say, my favourite one is the one with the folding board. But which one's your favourite? I'd love to hear from you. Which one you think is the best or the most efficient one. But if you've got a different fold that you think is better than all 4 of these, as in it's more accurate or gives better results or it's quicker, please share it and I'll try and demonstrate it in a future video. Until then, take care. I'll see you soon.